So today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to draw a human face. More specifically, I draw anime, more females than males, so that's what we'll be doing today. Now remember, everything has shapes. Circles, the main base of the head is a circle. Then you will just draw your jawline, which is just kind of like a upside down house, you would say. Draw your score lines, you half it, and then make a line in the middle. And this is kind of angled weird, I apologize. Now the ears are always going to be below this line. This is where the eye line is. Forgot. The eyes are always going to be above the ears. So they're almond shape. Draw the little iris inside. And then the nose will always run along the side, the line of the ears. I will do more detailed on how to draw the nose in just a little bit. Basically, it's a circle and a triangle. Just add the details, and then of course the lips. I'm going to add some details here and kind of shape it a little bit better. Do the eyebrows. And now when you start to draw the hair, do not draw directly up on the line at the top. Make sure you give it some volume. Hair is not flat. It does have volume. I'm just going to do a basic straight long hairstyle. The neckline will always run on the outside of the eyes. So if you put your eyes too far apart, it would look weird. Too close together, it will look, it just really depends on what your style is. Again, everything is subjective. This is just a basis. My style is not going to be the same as other people's style. I'm going to add a little bit more details here. So now I'm going to show you a basic on how to do like the separate things, eyes, then nose, and mouth. So a lot of people, they draw the circle for the eye first, then they line it with the rest of the eye. You can do either or. I draw the eye lines first, then the circles. I don't know what you call them. The eyelashes are curled, add the details. You can shade it, add the eyebrow. You can add thick eyebrows, thin eyebrows, whatever you want, however you do it. Just the basics of that. Now we're going to draw the nose again. It is a circle. Well, this is kind of like an oval, triangle. And then you just add in little nose holes, little shape there. Then you do like little, whatever you call them, little side circle things. For the sides of the nose, you can make sure you erase the unwanted sketch marks. Always do light. Darker you do, it's harder to erase. As you can see, when you erase it, it looks like a nose. And this is just a basic nose. You can change it up a bit, however you want to develop your stylized. If you want to do more stylized, more exaggeration, you can, change it that way. But this is just how I do it. And I'm going to show you circle plus triangle equals the nose. Again. And you can do this however you practice. Develop your own style. That's the fun with art. It's however you want it to look like. Okay, last we're going to do the lips. My lips are very simple. I do a half circle and 2 lines. Then another half circle line. I don't even know if it's called half circle. You can add, more detail to it if you want, but I just, not with my pencil, I'll color it in. You might like little shine there, however you want to do it. Again, these are just basic instructions, and now I will just put everything together one more time for you and drawing in one complete face. Again, I do a circle with the chin line. Looks like a kind of like an upside down house. The neck. And now, when you draw, what do you find inspiration with? Do you find it with cartoons, video games, stories, books, comic books? leave the comment below of, you know, where do you get your inspiration from? And you can get, you know, you can use real life. If you want to draw your baby brother, baby sister, mother, father, cousins, if they sit long enough, sit there and practice. Use yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror. There's nothing wrong with that. That's what the great artists have done. That's why you see so many self-portraits. Okay, so as I complete this, I sped it up a little bit because, you know, it's a pretty long video. But you can add details, color it, add your colors, shade it if you want to do that. If you don't want to do like the same style as me, just again, practice your own style and see what fits. I will just provide, you know, the basis of that. When it comes down to it, you are your own critic. You will judge what you feel is good and what others don't. Don't let other people control what you do and how you want your art to look. It's not up to them. It's up to you. So, well, thank you for joining me with this video, and I'm sorry I'm cutting off the bottom. It just is just like that. You have a great day. Thanks.